Welcome to another Simple Dad Reddit tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to stop receiving all the notification emails from Reddit. So if you have the Reddit app and you're annoyed with all the emails you receive in your mailbox, let me show you how to switch them off on your Reddit app. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Reddit app. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile image at the top right. Here, you want to go ahead and tap on Settings at the bottom. Now from here, you want to go ahead and tap on your username. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on Manage Emails. Here you'll see all the emails which are enabled or disabled. For now, Weekly Recap is enabled, so I get emails about Reddit on a weekly basis. Now to unsubscribe from all of these emails, you want to go ahead and enable Unsubscribe from all emails. Once you do this, this will switch off all the emails from Reddit. Now you can go back and continue browsing your Reddit app as usual, and you will not receive any emails from Reddit. So there you go. That is how to stop receiving all the notification emails from Reddit. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.